Good morning, students. So again today we are going to move on to our literature section, that is section 2, the festival of Eid. Okay. Now Eid is very common festival, you know very well. This is a religious festival of Muslims, right? So Eid is a festival of brotherhood. Okay, it comes after the month of fasting that they call as Ramzan. After the complete month of fasting, they celebrate this festival Eid. Okay, so Eid will brings love, happiness, okay, and brotherhood among them. So in this story we are going to study about this Eid, and the main character of the story is Hamid. Okay, Hamid is basically a boy, a 4 years old boy, and this story we are going to see that how maturely he acted, okay, on the day of Eid. Actually, this boy Hamid, okay, he belongs to a poor family, and his father is not with him. Okay, so on the day of Eid, everybody was just ready to go to mosque to read namaz. Okay, that they call as Eidgah. They were ready to go to Eidgah. After going to Eidgah, they did their prayer, and as soon as they completed the prayer, from the prayer they just decided to go to fair. Okay, now just near the mosque there was a fair. In that fair many shops were there, many toy shops were there, many sweet shops were there, okay, many writings were there. Okay, so this boy Hamid, he had only 3 pies. Okay, his grandmother was living with him and she had given him only 3 pies. He had only 3 pies, and rest all the boys have sufficient money. Okay, these are his friend Mahmood, Mohsin and Noor. Okay, they 4 are friends, and Hamid had only 3 pies, so they went to fair. Now when they went to fair, first they were very fascinated to see all the different types of writings. Okay, so they started, the other boys started enjoying the different rides. Okay, they started enjoying different rides, and each ride was 2 pies. Okay, it cost 2 pies. But Hamid, okay, he didn't enjoy anything. Why? Because he was just thinking that he had only 3 pies, and since he don't have money, so he was just standing there and he was looking at the other boys. They were very happy, so he was happy with their happiness. Okay, now after enjoying the different rides, the boys went to sweet shops. Okay, now when they went to see sweet shops, somebody enjoyed gulab jamun, somebody enjoyed halwa, and many different types of sweets. But Hamid, he had not eaten anything. Okay, why? Because he can't afford it. He thought that he has only 3 pies, and if he will spend all the money on eatings or all the money on rides, then means he was not satisfied with it. Okay, so all the boys were eating, and he was just standing and looking at them. He had not eaten anything. After that, they went to toy shops. Okay, now when they went to toy shops, obviously you know that what a 4 years or 5 years child will demand. Obviously they will demand for different types of toys, right? So when they went to toy shops, all the boys want to purchase the toy of their choice. But Hamid also want to purchase, but he was stopping himself. Why? Because he had only 3 pies. Okay, and he don't want to spend the money on this toy. Okay, because he knows that there is no importance of toy. Someday it will break and he will forget it. So he don't want to spend his money on toy. All the other boys, okay, his friends, they were very happy to see different types of toys, and they purchased 1 toy. Okay, each toy cost 2 pies. Now this Mahmood, he purchased a soldier. Okay, he purchased a soldier, and he thought that the soldier will protect their village. Now next, Mohsin purchased a water carrier. Okay, and this Noor, he purchased a lawyer. Now when they all purchased their new toys, obviously they were very happy. Okay, and they went to Hamid and they saw their toys. Okay, now Hamid was very disappointed. He wanted that toys, but since he had no money, so he was stopping himself. Okay, now he was very sad. He also wanted toys, but he don't want to beg for it. Okay, he want that, but he don't want to beg for it. So he was just standing quiet. Now after they were very happy, they purchased the toys, they had enjoyed the sweets. Now they moved on. Okay, when they moved through the fair, they saw some shops of jewelries and all. Okay, so there was nothing that would attract boys. Okay, so they moved behind. But Hamid stopped in a shop and there he saw a pair of tongs. Okay, tongs is a utensil, okay, with two ends. Now he saw tongs and suddenly he reminded of her grandmother. He thought that while making chapatis, her grandmother would burn her finger sometime. Okay, so he thought that it would be nice if he purchased that tong for his grandmother. So he went to that shop and asked for the price of tong. The shopkeeper said him, he asked the shopkeeper that what's the price of tong. So the shopkeeper said him that the price of tong is 6 pice. So again Hamid was very upset. Okay, his face was dull. Why? Because he has only 3 pice and the cost of that tong was 6 pice. So again he just said to the shopkeeper very frankly that I had only 3 pice. If you will give, then give it to me. Otherwise leave it. Okay, because he had no any other option. So the shopkeeper thought that it would be better to give him. So he gave that tong for 3 pice. Okay, now he was also very happy and he went with that tong to his friends. When he went with his tong to his friend, they were making fun of him. Okay, they said that how can you play with this tong? Is it helpful to you? So he said that yes, obviously my toy is very different from your toys. Why it was different? Because once your toy will fall, it will break and the life will end there. Okay, after that you can't enjoy. But my toy will never break. Okay, this was the positiveness toward his tong. Okay, he showed his positiveness toward his tongs. He said that your toys will break, but my toy will not break. Okay, so after enjoying the fair, they went to their home. Okay, when they went to their village, everybody was very happy that what the boys will bring from the fair, what they will purchase from the fair. So one by one, they all went to their house. Now when Mahmood went to his house, okay, he has purchased a soldier and the leg of his soldier broke. Okay, the leg of his soldier, one leg of his soldier broke. So now if one leg of soldier will break, okay, will it be able to stand? No. So what Mahmood did, he broke the second leg also. Okay, he broke the second leg and made it equal and he let it sit on the chair. Okay, the second was a Moshin carried a water carrier. Now when he took that water carrier to his home, his sister became very happy and she jumped to take that water carrier. As she jumped to take the water carrier fell and broke down. Okay, now when the toy broke, they both brother and sister started fighting with each other. Okay, then next comes Noor. Noor purchased a lawyer. Okay, he purchased a lawyer and he was setting up the chair to sit the lawyer. Suddenly the wind blew, the lawyer fall on the ground and it broke. Okay, so the life of lawyer ended. Now when Hamid went to his house, his grandmother came out of the house and she asked him that what have you purchased? Okay, now he saw his tongs. Okay, when he saw his tongue, his grandmother became very angry. She became very angry that what is the price of this tongue? He said 3 pice. Now his grandmother already knows that he had only 3 pice. So what had he eaten? What had he done? Nothing. Okay, so she felt very upset that this boy had not enjoyed the fair. Okay, he had only 3 pice and he had spent all the pice on this tongues. Okay, so she began to scold him. Okay, then she asked him that why have you purchased this? It is not useful to you. Okay, so the boy said him that grandma, whenever you cook chapati, whenever you bake chapati, your hand used to burn. Okay, so I have purchased it for you. At that moment, okay, his grandmother was very emotional. Okay, she thought that what kind of maturity is in this 4 years old boy. Okay, generally what we see? Generally we see that the child who is only 4 years old or child 4 to 6 or 10 years old, we see that they used to purchase, they have the fascination of toys. Okay, they want to purchase the things which they want. Okay, they never think of their parents and what parents want. But this Hamid, he had the maturity at very early age and he didn't thought of himself and he thought about his grandmother. Okay, so that time both of them were very emotional. His grandmother, she just became a small child. Why she became a small child? Because she started crying. Okay, she was very emotional and she started crying. And this Hamid, he acted as a big man. Okay, obviously he acted as a big man because he had the maturity at very early age that what is the importance of toy and what is the importance of dog. Okay, so in this whole story, the festival of Eid, the story want to teach us that maturity has no age. Okay, sometimes we can see that a small boy even act as a very mature man, and sometimes we see that even a big man act as a small child. Okay, so this is story basically which shows a bond of grandmother and grandson. Okay, so for today you will read this story. Okay, and once again you will try to understand the feeling. Okay, this festival of Eid is just a message to you that you should act maturely, and maturation has no any age.